As you can see, there's stuff, but not like a horrible amount of stuff. The main things is like this big metal shelf here. Like you can see, there's so much metal. There's some old windows. I'm keeping those. Let's see, so you can tell it's not too bad. Oh. This thing is going to be the most challenging of everything. And then what it's sitting on there. So, sorry. There's the main part. Some more metal stuff back there. And then back here, that should go. This guardrail I don't need. We got a lot of these panels like this everywhere. These little hog panels, and I don't want them. Same thing with the T-posts. Have no use for those. You can see like the line of the property has a lot of this kind of stuff with it. Now I realize you can't get to all of it. I'm hoping to cut a lot of this stuff down. But like I just can't move this kind of stuff. All the crap from my house. Look at all this stuff. Wow. And then we've got this big old dumpster besides. Yay! I'm so happy! So many wonderful things happened this weekend. I got my trees all trimmed up. Look how pretty they are. My driveway got rock and gravel. And the big thing, here we go. Drum roll, please. I got my barn completely cleaned out. Look at that, y'all. The horses are coming. They'll be here soon. Soon. Now I get to try to figure out how to do a dry pour. And there is my new riding mower. I got to mow my lawn for the first time. Look what it looks like. You can see what I did over there. I mowed the grass all by myself. And look how clean this is. Oh my gosh. Like, I can walk back here. I feel like I gained another half an acre. Wait till you see the pictures of all the metal that they took out of here and all the junk. All right, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.